This video examines the Supreme Court case of James Q. v. Republic, GR number 210984, decided on April 12, 2023. We will explore the case analysis and the legal doctrine established by Senior Associate Justice Marvick Leonin. We begin with Section 01, which covers the factual background and the procedural history of this legal matter. Here's the timeline of the case. Starting in 1999 with the separation in fact, followed by a petition for nullity in 2003, the birth of the child in 2004, the RTC declaration of void marriage in 2006, and the surname change in 2008. The key players include the petitioner, James Q., the mother, Shalimar Abalera, the legal husband, Kerwin Cruz Parr, and the minor, Jamie Shea, whose status as legitimate is central to this case. The legal dispute centers on whether a putative father can obtain judicial approval for recognition of a child born while the mother's marriage to another man was still legally subsisting, despite the Office of the Solicitor General's opposition based on the presumption of legitimacy. Both the Regional Trial Court and the Court of Appeals denied the petition, ruling that the child is presumed legitimate and that the petition constituted an impermissible collateral attack on that status under the law. The core issues addressed were whether a putative father has legal standing to impugn legitimacy, whether voluntary recognition is a valid method to challenge that status, and whether biological truth outweighs the legal status of legitimacy. Article 164 of the Family Code provides a force field of protection for children conceived or born during marriage, establishing their legitimacy to secure their rights to inheritance and support. The Supreme Court analysis clarifies that only the husband can impugn a child's legitimacy through a direct action. It emphasizes that legitimacy is a legal status, not a biological one, and even the mother is barred from declaring against it. This chart illustrates who has the right to impugn legitimacy, showing that the legal husband holds the sole direct right, while others are restricted or prohibited. The court notes that its ruling is without prejudice to the child's independent right to establish her own filiation. This choice belongs exclusively to the child once she reaches the age of majority. In summary, Justice Leonin wrote that while the law may declare who are legitimate children, it cannot alter blood relationships. Legitimacy remains a preferred status in the eyes of the law. These are the image sources used for this video.